everyone! Today I'm going to talk about something super simple yet incredibly important, drinking water. Yep, that's right, H2O. Did you know that our bodies are made up of about 60% water? Crazy, right? Water is essential for so many reasons, and here are 16 of them. First off, water helps regulate your body temperature. It acts as our internal coolant, keeping our brain and organs from overheating. Next, it's fantastic for your joints. Drinking water keeps those joints lubricated and healthy, which means less risk of arthritis and joint issues. Ever feel sluggish or have a headache? You might just be dehydrated. Water boosts energy and helps you focus. Even mild dehydration can zap your energy and make it hard to concentrate. Water also supports digestion. It helps dissolve nutrients in soluble fiber, making them easier for your body to absorb. Want glowing skin? Drink more water. It helps keep your skin hydrated and plump, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. And let's not forget about kidney stones. Drinking enough water helps dilute the minerals in your urine, which can prevent those painful stones from forming. Healthy hair and nails? Yep, water plays a part in that too. It provides the necessary moisture to keep them strong and healthy. If you're an athlete or just love hitting the gym, staying hydrated is a must. Proper hydration helps regulate body temperature and transport nutrients and oxygen to your cells. Drinking water can also help with weight loss. It increases satiety and boosts metabolism, which can help you shed those extra pounds. Your brain loves water too. Dehydration can impair cognitive function, affecting your attention, memory, and mood. Keep your brain sharp by staying hydrated. Water is essential for strong bones. It prevents dehydration-induced bone loss, keeping your bones healthy. Some studies suggest that drinking enough water can reduce the risk of certain cancers, like colon and breast cancer. While more research is needed, it's another great reason to stay hydrated. And finally, water helps maintain overall health. It prevents chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and kidney disease. So, how much water should you drink? The National Academy of Sciences recommends that men drink at least 3.7 liters, about 15.5 cups, and women drink at least 2.7 liters, about 11.5 cups of water per day. But remember, your needs might vary depending on factors like age, weight, and activity level. In summary, drinking water is crucial for maintaining your health and well-being. From regulating body temperature to keeping your skin glowing, water does it all. So, grab that glass of water and drink up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Stay hydrated and stay healthy.